Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be talking about a really natural ingredients that you can use on your skin to attain that natural glow. You know, we're all about evening out your skin tone and getting rid of hyperpigmentation. So with this natural recipe, which you probably would have in your pantry, it comprises of 3 ingredients that are an absolute powerhouse to ensure your skin retains that moisturization. It ensures that your skin gets evened out and it gets rid of any discoloration when you use it regularly. So without much further ado, let's get into the video and see how I make this natural homemade mask, which you can use every once in a while for that flawless glow. So we start this recipe off with oats. Now, the best type of oats to use is colloidal oats, but this can be quite difficult to get. So all you need to do is just get your regular old-fashioned rolled oats and put it in your dry blender or your food processor, and voila, you have powdered oats. So all I do is just blend my regular oats and then I store it and keep it aside for my beauty treatments. So we're going to be starting out with 1 tablespoon of oats. Now the fantastic thing about oats is it's got a lot of benefits for your skin. It helps to soak up excess oils on your skin and also helps to treat acne. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties help to treat dry skin as well as remove dead skin cells. Our oats contains compounds called saponins, which are natural cleansers. They also remove the dirt and oil that clog the pores and exfoliate the skin. So you can see that oats really helps. Now the second ingredient we're going to be using is coffee. Again, coffee has a whole powerhouse of benefits for your skin. Now, coffee is a source of nutrients and antioxidants that may benefit the skin. Now, we can use it in exfoliating. It's also a fantastic natural treatment for acne. It helps to increase blood flow and also balances our pH levels. So I'm going to be using like half a teaspoon of coffee. You don't need too much. The next ingredients we're going to add is our egg. Now, if you know, is very phenomenal. Its benefits for the skin are really good in helping the skin to retain that firmness while improving the skin's texture as well. So egg whites help greasy skin and prevent pimples and cysts. They also work together with the ingredients to reduce acne on your face or anywhere else you apply them. They also form a protective layer over your skin to avoid sunburn and blisters. Now, the final ingredient we're going to be adding today is coconut oil. It helps to bolster your skin's protective barrier, your collagen production, which means your skin gets to look more youthful and supple for longer. So all you need to do is mix up this ingredient about 2 times a week, and it has really helped in my skin looking more even. It's helped in my skin looking more radiant, and it has helped to improve my skin tone. My face has already been cleansed, and so I'm just going to proceed to apply that all over my face. I'm going to make sure I put it everywhere. Anytime you put a mask on, try to ensure that you also don't neglect your neck. This mask is so good for your skin. Now, the beauty about it is it's very inexpensive to make, but you are getting very potent natural benefits from this mask. I make it fresh each time I use it. So if I do use it twice a week, I save the remaining in the fridge for not more than 2 to 3 days, and then I quickly use it. massage and gently exfoliate it into my skin. And so typically I leave this mask on for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I go about doing other things before. So I've washed my face. My face feels absolutely soft. It feels so smooth to the touch, and it's one of those masks that you can instantly see that your skin tone is looking much brighter, more radiant, and I call it the mask that totally wakes up my skin. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit us with a like.